Hello, everyone. Every car crash footage is a costly lesson. Let's analyze together to drive safer and avoid heartbreaking consequences. What are your thoughts? Share them. Don't forget to subscribe. Buckle up and let's explore. Oh my gosh, what a sight. A police chase gone wrong. His car flew over the median and ended up in the opposite lane. And all the cop could do was watch him drive away. Talk about a fail. That long skid mark tells the whole story. That car braked and slid for ages before crashing. Yikes! Everything was fine. Then bam! A car pulled out from the side street. Luckily, no one was hurt, but that's going to be an expensive repair bill. Ouch! A head-on collision at the intersection. Both cars are going to need some serious TLC. Hope everyone's okay. That train horn sounds like a warning. It's about to slice that truck in half, right through the cargo bed. The driver probably bailed and is just watching in horror. The cement truck was trying to pull over when a car came speeding up from behind. Collision, debris everywhere. Two cars crashed at the intersection. Both drivers didn't want to give way. The result? A flipped car and a lot of damage. Ouch! That car in the opposite lane came around the curve too fast and crossed the center line. Head-on collision, major damage. The car that caused the accident just kept going. taking out a lamppost along the way. Sheesh. Never underestimate the power of a truck's cargo door. It flew open and slammed into the car in the next lane, causing major damage. That's crazy. Careless U-turn, always check your mirrors. Oh my gosh, that motorcycle helmet saved his life. The truck crashed into the lamppost, which fell right onto the motorcycle. Unbelievable. Too careless at the intersection. Luckily, it was just a minor collision. Still, pay attention. Limited visibility. The two drivers couldn't see each other at the intersection. They should have slowed down and been more careful. Slow down, folks. The truck was turning, carrying heavy cargo, and flipped over. Glad no one was nearby. The car was squished between two giant trucks. Damage from both sides. Poor thing. Big impact with the snowplow. The car got wrecked. Ouch. Don't underestimate the power of a wheel. It can do some serious damage when it crashes. This guy messed with the wrong person. Don't think you can bully a woman. The crash was so fast like lightning. I only saw the debris falling onto the road. Blink and you'll miss it.
Stay safe.
Drive more carefully to stay safe.
Oh my gosh, the father just saved that baby's life. The driver was so careless. That was close. Even a small car can cause a big truck to flip. Be careful and slow down in intersections. The car flipped and skidded on the highway, sending sparks flying. I saw the drivers climb out, so they're okay. Thank goodness. The truck changed lanes and the car was overtaking on the left. No escape. A major crash was inevitable. Two cars crashed at the intersection. Both drivers didn't want to give way. The driver's dressed so nicely, but his actions are so rude. What a shame. The truck lost control and swerved across the median into the opposite lane. Oh no, the crane operator miscalculated the weight of the cargo. The cable snapped. Luckily, the people below weren't crushed. Terrifying. car crashed to the fuel and turned and crashed with under road. We hope the lessons from today's car crashes will help you drive safer on every road. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future videos about traffic safety. Let's build a community of responsible and safer drivers together.